Hello everyone. Senzo Meyiwa's friend and the fourth state witness in the trial of his alleged murderers Mthokozi Sithwala said he refused to be part of the Netflix documentary on Meyiwa as he saw it as a money-making business. Senzo was gunned down in Vosloorus in October 2014 in the presence of Thwala and others. On his third day on the stand, Thwala told the Pretoria High Court he was approached by representatives of the 1010 Films several times to be part of the documentary but refused. He said, "I was approached by a man called Mzilikazi. He said he wanted to meet me, but I refused. Then I was approached by a lady who was pregnant. She came to my home maybe 2 to 3 years back. She came to my home and explained who she was and from where, and that she knew I had spoken to Mzilikazi and I refused. And she then decided to come so that she could explain Senzo's documentary." Thwala said he explained to the woman why he did not want to be part of the documentary. However, he said after several months, another woman came to his home, met his family and tried to convince him to take part. He said they stayed long trying to convince me of the way they see, but for me, the reason they were giving me was not valid enough as to why I should do the documentary. They requested my pictures with Senzo and said they were willing to pay for the pictures because they belong to me. I gave them about 6 pictures because I could see this documentary was for making money. I even refused the money they offered. Meanwhile, the court has also heard that Thwala opened a case against police officers who allegedly tortured him. Failing to contain his emotions on Wednesday, he told the court he was tortured by police to force him to admit to killing his friend Senzo Meyiwa. He said the matter was referred to IPID but had not had any update on the matter. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.